girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
So damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. These ain't the king where we come from. Tell you I'm queen, so no one. So baby, I'm driving like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight in London. So they can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making us something. Boy, you know all I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do is drive myself crazy.
Today, you guys, I am doing a review for Beauty Forever Hair, and I'm reviewing this gorgeous unit, you guys. I don't know about y'all, but I love how I look in bangs. Like, I feel like bangs is like low-key like my secret weapon. I feel like I look very beautiful with bangs. I feel like it just like, even though it's kind of like hiding my eyes, I just still feel like it accentuates like my eyes and just like the sultriness of it all, and it just gives like little mystery, and I don't know, it just looks very much so grown, very much so grown and sexy. It's giving those kind of vibes, okay? And this hair is so beautiful. It came pre-curled already, okay? This is actually a glueless install as well. I didn't have to use any products to install this unit. And the curls, like I said, they already came in this hair, so you don't have to curl the hair. And I really like how they layered it, and I also like how thin the bangs are, because sometimes even when I cut like my own bangs, I feel like I put too much hair and it just feels very like heavy, and especially like on your eyes, it feels like really heavy and it's just like too thick. And I like the fact that this one is like a nice like lightweight feathery kind of bang, and you can like play with it a little bit. Nonetheless, I really do like this look. I love how this turned out. I really do like the fact that I have a unit that already has bangs in there, so I don't have to cut them or anything. Everything is done with you. You have a nice deep part here. This is a 7x5 closure unit, by the way, you guys, so you're gonna get a majority of the parting space in the front half here, and it goes 5 inches deep and then 7 inches across. If you didn't want to have the bangs like down like this, you can actually leave them in their original length, because I did cut mine a little bit, but you can leave them in their original length, and then you could just have like one of those curtain bang parts or whatever, and just have it parted down the middle. One thing that I like about this unit is that it does come with bleach knots, so you don't have to bleach the knots in this unit. That's done for you. Pretty much everything is done for you with this unit. The lace is also pre-cut, and it does come with 2 straps. One of the straps is actually going to be separate, so make sure when you are unboxing your unit that you check your floor and around you, because mine fell out to the floor, and I know that might happen with other people as well because it's not just like already hooked in. So this is a nice up close look at the unit. But as far as the construction of this unit, like I said, this is a glueless install, so you don't need any product to actually install this unit, and it fits really snug because it does have adjustable straps in the very back, which I can appreciate, because I hate when I get like these glueless units and they only give you the elastic band, and then the back of your unit is just like loose and just like, you know what I mean, it doesn't fit as comfortable because there's no straps in the back. But this one comes with 2 straps, and it also has a nice long comb in the back as well that you can hook underneath your braids in the back, and it just fits really secure. I love the fit to this unit. It is a true glueless unit, okay? I didn't have to use anything. And this unit is also best for a beginner, so if you're somebody who doesn't really know how to do your hair, or you're looking for something that'll save you a little bit of time, this is definitely going to be the right unit for you. And I do currently have this unit in a 22 inch, okay, you guys, so this is more on the shorter side for me, because you guys know typically I go for like a 24 inch, 26 inch, 30 inch. Girl, I love me a good long unit, but this one is a little bit on the shorter side, which I'm not mad at. I feel like it actually works best for this particular look. I feel like it looks better with it being, you know, a little bit shorter. Now, as far as the density for this unit is on the thinner side, in my opinion. I feel like it's on the thinner side, even though it's curled, it's a little bit thin. So I would say this is probably about like 150% density. I don't think it's anything thicker than that, but I'm pretty sure if you go on the website, they have options. If the density isn't thick enough for you, you can always go up. Instead of getting 150% density, you can get 180% or 200%. Typically for me, I feel like 180 is the best as far as density, because it's like right there in the middle. It's not too thick, not too thin, because sometimes when you have a unit that is 200% density, it can be a little bit much. And not only that, when it comes to the actual hairline and plucking, you end up having to do a lot more work. But luckily, this unit does come with everything done for you, so you don't have to worry about like plucking it, bleaching the knots. You guys see how natural this looks. I didn't even have to put any concealer or anything in the part, and it's just perfect. And you guys saw like how quick I was able to install this unit. Like, it took me literally no time to install this unit, so I was like really happy about that, because girl, nobody wants to sit there for hours doing their hair, okay? But I do want to flip my bangs back and just show you guys like the actual hairline. Okay, so when we pull everything back, okay, we can see the actual space that we have here. So like I said, it's 7 inches across, and it is pre-plucked and everything for you. If you wanted to, you can even do like a half up, half down, like with your bangs down, and just like have the top part in a ponytail, because you do get a lot of parting space here. The tracks start like down here, and then you do get a lot of parting space down the center as well. So this is that center part. And like I said, you don't have to have it like with bangs if you don't want to. You could definitely like have it off to the side. But like I said, I did cut mine. But if you wanted to, you know, before cutting it, and everything, you can have like that like 70s, like you can definitely keep it longer and then just wear like in the center with like curtain bangs. But I like mine with the bangs, and I like the fact that they actually gave you like a roller. This is the roller that came with the unit, and it actually has a piece where you can like take it out and put it back, but they didn't do it like that. They just kind of took the hair and it was just like already in it. I showed you guys earlier, and you don't have to actually use that clap, the other part, the little clip part. You don't have to use that. You can just like do it like this. So if you go to sleep at night and when you're like putting your bonnet on, you can like roll your bangs up and then just like put the rest of your hair like in your bonnet, and then take it out in the morning, just like lightly refresh the curls. And then when you take this down, then your bangs are already in place, and I really like that, you know what I mean? So for me, what I ended up doing was I actually pulled the unit back a little bit, so that way you don't have to cut as much, because if you wanted to, you can put the unit down lower, you get what I'm saying? And then the bangs will be even lower. So it's just about how you adjust it when you put the unit on. If you want them to be higher and out of your face, you can pull it back more, but I like mine like right about there. Very, very pretty. I like this unit. If you guys are interested in it and you want to try it out yourself, if you've never tried bangs before, or you're terrible at cutting your own bangs, which a lot of people are, so many people ruin their bangs, like so many people, and it just be looking crazy every time. It's so funny. So if you're interested in a unit where the bangs are already done for you, literally everything is done for you, you don't have to bleach the knots, cut the lace, you don't have to use anything to adhere the unit and put it on, then this is definitely going to be the unit for you. Okay, it's a new look. You got to try new things. It's 2025. You want to still be doing the same old hairstyle that you always do, or do you want something that's literally ready to wear right out of the box? The link to this unit will be down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. How do you guys feel about me in bangs? Do you like me in bangs? Would you try this unit out? Let us all know in the comment section. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.